Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting the low-hanging distractions. Enable Do Not Disturb and schedule 60 to 90-minute focus blocks. You want interruption-free time. Next, remove social apps from your home screen so taps become deliberate versus automatic. Once done, set a measurable goal, reduce total screen time by 25% this week, and enable native tracking so you have objective feedback. Make sure to place only essential communication apps on your dock, and commit to one full device-free hour tonight. You now replace the habit loop by inserting a competing response. When you crave your phone, stand and walk for 5 minutes, stretch, or write one sentence in a journal. Do something tangible. Then add friction. Log out of time-sync apps, use web versions that are slower, and reduce notification priority so alerts don't hijack you. Once these systems are active, create external accountability. Tell a friend your target, schedule weekly check-ins, and review your screen reports together so progress compounds. You complete the plan by locking in sustainable rituals. Commit to device-free meals, a 1-hour nightly shutdown, and a weekly Sunday review of your habits. If you slip, don't shame yourself. Identify the trigger, shorten the next goal window, and reintroduce friction like extra logouts or app limits immediately. Make sure to reward winning streaks with non-phone treats, a walk, a coffee, a book, and celebrate each 7-day streak, so the new behavior becomes the default rather than an effortful exception.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.